Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Google Scholarship. 1 lakh scholarship is fast loan apply. Google is offering 1 lakh Google scholarship in 2022. 1 lakh scholarship offered by Google Coursera and Peak. The covered current space in employers cased by organic 1 lakh scholarship PRs can get his what need now will everything cover 19 also parent online earn course starting. I am trusted to date American business management founder of Microsoft will lead around get scholarship program 2021 these good thing about go to scholarship there's are online certificate you can need it vary about traveling and experience. College degree are out of reach for many international students will be American and these certificate will be equal to a 4-year college degree. Google said Google said that's online certificate course you are create and target by Google employer and will not require approvals college degree any experience accounted to Google. These certification can complete with their 6 months each. Course will be have some text and assignment they have complete then case task certification are being offering target online. How to get 1 lakh Google scholarship sponsored by Google platform online earning platform of scholarship 1 lakhs. Google said starting as an United States is easy. International student will hit American student. You can see list of 2,500 scholarship in USA. Benefit of Google scholarship about 6 months to complete. No previous experience equal interest well paid by Google. Grant and scholarship will be available. Host of Coursera. What does Google employer say about this scholarship? Google also announced that company will consent the certificate equivalent of for college degree for related rules that company. This online certificate course will create your Google employers asset up to 2018. Google launched similar certificate program of these interest. Its IT hours to 50 lakhs people have taken this Google certificate of 57% of non-college degree that area scholarship coming reply. Most the university are already scholarship program will almost. What do you do? Some multiple company launched interest scholarship certificate free. Some multinational company launched these free international interest scholarship with certificate. Google scholarship sub- subjects. Google is giving always 1 lakh scholarships so and earn an online certificate thesis area. Data analysis project manager using experience UK designing a Google will target these online Google career requirement of your degrees. Data analysis Google analyst can earn 66,000 a year medium and analyze data make data $66,000 per year recommended to information and make data device national business certificate that certificate provide to tools the data life cycle using tools and platform process analyze using gain interest from data. Project manager Google say project manager can earn $93,000 a year medium and help our waste project of Google said this online certificate course foundation using experience UK design. Google say of UK design and can $75,000 a year medium and help create similar more accessible and more enjoyable experience. Use Google say this online certificate provide designation and right from creation high boundary prototypes and check assign similar instead 2021 USA exchange program funny point eligible career area online certificate purposely and made and targeted by Google employer deterring of online certificate approval these 6 months complete they are not proper education of province work experience requirement. Next, how to apply for Google Scholarship. The course hosted target course via which a online platform to apply. Please visit official website on Google Scholarship. Note more from Amazon, following Facebook page, Twitter, LinkedIn, tweet and Telegram.